Magandang araw sa inyong lahat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ipinakita ng actress na si Claudine Barreto ang bahay ng kanyang mayamang kaibigan na isang artist, director and producer at 2022 P-Pop Best New Male Artist of the Year na si Eric Ejercito.
Hoy, naka-live tayo? Sure. Room tour, house tour, ano ba?
And then my background in artist, I started from these when I was really young, and then now I do. I'm actually signing very soon with this international brand. I'm creating an employee. So yeah, this is me. So of course, it's my blood.
Nanonood yata si Sir Gary Estrada.
Ah, talaga?
Parang.
Hey, Uncle!
Gary Ejercito.
I see you. Wow.
Kasya ba tayo dyan? Parang hindi tayo kakasya. Kasya? Taray nung
naka-elevator tayo.
Wow.
I think I like your house.
Ganda ni ate, oh. Ang ganda ni boss.
Hey Siri, wait. Go down.
Ano pala yan? Ano lang.
You can have a top shot.
Yan na. Ah!
Usually nagsa-selfie kami.
Galing.
Diba? Social.
So, I do custom figures also, toys.
Ay, naku, gusto ni Coco.
So I
And
made
the ate.
This is,
So this is my studio where I shoot. Pero nakambahan lang. That's my original art life. But since I moved out,
yeah.
so this used to be my studio, and then this is the newly built, supposed to be like a theater room.
Yeah. Wow.
Which used to be my dance studio before.
Oh my God.
Dan, sabihin na.
Ito kakab. Tapos na ito few months ago.
Bahiro ako din.
Oh yeah.
Ano na?
Super
Is Kuko know that?
low level weeb.
May
This is so cool.
Next time when we have the TV now, we can film here.
Yeah, yeah.
And then
dito eh.
Diba?
Tadaan!
this is me for my first music video.
Oh my. Who made that?
Me and my friends.
Oh, so
I have a video. I have a
Kamukha.
Kamukha.
Twin.
yeah, and then I have a photo cards there. I'll give you also my set.
Look at his hair. It's white.
Oh, yeah.
Silver.
It's silver.
Yeah, when I'm on singer mode, I'm
Silver.
a different character.
Galing.
So,
How
yeah.
did you leave for this house? It's so nice.
Hindi ko masyadong inano yung room. Just sa inyo lang.
Off cam.
Hindi pa.
Sinabi ko rin yan.
Ay, pakiulit.
Sinabi ko rin.
Nakarating pa kami ng Thailand sa independent na yun.
Independent na yan. Ayoko na maging independent. Hindi ko
Independent
pala
boss,
kaya. Ganda, no?
Yes ko. Oops, sorry.
Wow. Marunong ka na?
Ako kasha. Dapat nakarap. Harap sa kanya.
Oh, so cute.
Yung nawala.
Ma, she's live.
Tita, say hello.
Ay.
Tita pretty and Tita sexy. Eric's hot mama.
Hindi ko pinakita. Ganda nung ano.
The fire something. It's so, oh my gosh.
Ganda ng ganun po. So, maliit lang yung lace, no? Tapos, ang ganda, oh.
Stay there, you repeat the whole time.
Yeah, go to the park because it's so cold here.
It's digital lang. It's digital.
Gagawa ko ng ganyan dun sa baba. Habang pinapagawa ko yung pader, gagawin kong ganito.
Your house is
Gagawin kong ganito.
You know what my suggestion ako pag ikaw nagla-live? Like, I have this mount na hindi siya maano. Stabilizer.
Yes.
I'll give you one.
Sige, sige.
Para
Meron ka na,
smooth.
boss. Siya mahilig mag-live. Sa shooting ka na mapagalitan na tayo, nagla-live siya. Yung, dapat pala yun niya, bro. Pero bibigyan ka raw niya.
Aim.
Okay, mag-off na uli kasi back to work sila.
Back to work kami.
Back to work.
Inés talaga.
Bye! Sabi.
Oh, wait,
Try
I have
again.
something for that.
Oh, naku. Ayan, Mr. Cute. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye!
There's Marina and Little Mermaid. And Sabina and Kuya Eric. Biglang naging Kuya Eric.
Hey guys, my name's Eric E. Kunwari, scene.
Okay. Action! Ano?
Okay.
Ay, ganon. So, may drama po nangyayari dito.
Ay, cover ko direct.
Uy, naka-live kayo.
Ano ba kita? Okay.
Sobrang cute tong doll. Yes. Alam niyo yung kinaaway po ni boss yung doll.
Sagot ka.
Hi, Ate Ras. Si Ras. Andyan.
Knock knock.
Here.
Nakakabayan.
Magkakasundo sila ni Noah dahil hawak niya every morning yung plants niya na ganyan.
Mom milk is the coolest, I swear. She's so cute. No, ate. Very cool.
Hello po sa lahat. Sige po.
I'm gonna turn on the Bluetooth.
Oops. Where's Ate Sab? What another toy? Yeah, no mom.
I don't know the name.
Say hi, Sab. Nice one.
What's his name again? Char.
Hi, Ate Nix. Thank you ulit, Ate Nix.
Thank you for Sabrina's license. Thank you.
Thank you, Nix.
I'm either wondering where we're together tonight.
Yeah, we're together. We're together. That's why we're together.
Take two.
Take two.
Take two.
Okay, Dave, explain.
Hi guys, my name is Eric Hersto. I'm a director of music videos with my production Episode 1 Studios. I'm also an actor. We're working on Loyalista together, and also I'm a recording artist at Viva Records. You can check my song at Spotify and YouTube and all those good stuff. You can follow me at Eric Hersto. So you can check out my short films, my music, and my art.
Please support E.
Yeah, so we are going to create. Well, I created something which I want you to hear, which I think it's a solid concept project. I can't wait to tell you. But you can
Secret, hindi pwedeng i-live.
But super,
So, yun lang,
super,
abangan niyo po.
Very nice concept. I gathered my team and nagbatuan na kami for about 2 weeks, and I can't wait.
Start na po bukas to. Charot!
Of course, I'll share that with you guys.
Yeah.
Mag-start na tomorrow.
See you guys.
You guys, thank you.
Yeah. Wait lang. Out ko.
Room tour with Eric Ejercito at Sab_Barreto at Marzol 0125. dinner and meeting with this genius guy over here and brought my precious daughter, who is now a #1 fan of her Kuya Eric. Thank you also to Tita Emma for the wonderful massage and food. At @sub_Barreto at Eric Ejercito. Collab soon with Eric Ejercito and Sab Barreto at Marisol0125. Excited for our collaboration, Eric. Finally, we push through. Sab Barreto and Eric Ejercito. Ani Claudine Barreto sa kanyang post. Ito yung artist pang international na boses. Masarap pakinggan, sobra. At idol ka namin. Hope na magkaroon ka pa ng maraming project. Ang sabi naman ng isang masugid na Claudine fan. Mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para sa mga susunod na video updates. Maraming salamat po.